They raided his shop of Bitcoin. Nigeria, a nation of over 200 million, and the second largest Bitcoin market on the planet. But why? In a country battling hyperinflation and government crackdowns, a digital revolution simmers beneath the surface. This is the story of how cryptocurrency is rewriting the rules in the giant of Africa. The energy here is palpable. A current that pulses beneath the sprawling markets, the bustling streets, the relentless ambition of its people. We see it in the vibrant colors of Ankara fabric, in the sharp battering of traders, in the unwavering gaze of a generation determined to shape its own future. For decades, the narrative of Africa has been written elsewhere. Dictated by headlines of poverty, conflict, and dependency. But scratch beneath the surface, and you'll find a continent brimming with innovation, resilience, and a quiet revolution unfolding in real time. A revolution powered by technology. We've been told that Africa lags behind, struggling to catch up. But what if the truth is far more nuanced? What if, while the world was distracted by preconceived notions, a new economic powerhouse was quietly emerging? Fueled by a resource more valuable than gold or oil, the ingenuity of its people. This isn't a story of charity, or aid, or hand-me-downs. This is a story of empowerment. Of a generation bypassing broken systems, building their own solutions, and writing the rules of engagement. It's a story that challenges everything you think you know about Africa. Consider this: in 2020, Nigeria faced a severe economic downturn, unemployment skyrocketed, and faith in traditional institutions waned. Desperate for alternatives, Nigerians turned to a new frontier, digital currency. They saw in it a way to bypass devaluing currency and control their own wealth. Today, Africa is at the forefront of a digital revolution. A revolution that is challenging the status quo and redefining the future of finance. But here's where the story gets truly interesting. The United States is often touted as the global leader in cryptocurrency adoption. China, too, has seen massive traction. But what if I told you that Nigeria is, in fact, the second largest Bitcoin market on Earth? Across the continent, a new narrative is being written, not in government halls, but in coding labs and bustling open-plan offices. This isn't just about catching up. This is about leapfrogging. And at the heart of this digital revolution lies a name you need to know: Flutterwave. Forget dusty stereotypes of aid dependency. Flutterwave is a Pan-African fintech giant. Founded in 2016, it's not just facilitating payments, it's building bridges across a fragmented financial landscape. Imagine sending money seamlessly from Lagos to Nairobi, or Cape Town to Accra, all with the tap of a screen. That's the power Flutterwave unlocks. But the real story here isn't just about convenience. It's about value. Think about this: Flutterwave is valued at well over $3 billion. Let that sink in. A fintech company born and bred on African soil, worth more than many established European banks, some with centuries of tradition behind them. This isn't just a business success story. It's a statement. A declaration that Africa is not just a consumer of technology but a creator, an innovator, a force to be reckoned with in the global digital economy. More than 900,000 businesses globally use Flutterwave to process payments. Its meteoric rise speaks to the unmet needs, the untapped potential, and the sheer ingenuity of the African entrepreneurial spirit. And here's the kicker. Flutterwave's success is deeply intertwined with the rise of cryptocurrency in Africa. It provides the rails, the infrastructure that allows Africans to navigate the often complex world of digital assets. It offers a crucial on-ramp to participate in the future of finance. But Flutterwave is just one piece of the puzzle, a single thread in a much larger tapestry. It's a vital piece, of course, like a key player on a soccer team. To truly understand the scope of this transformation, to grasp the full weight of what's happening here, we need to turn our attention to a nation that's leading the charge. Nigeria, and its people embracing Bitcoin like no other nation on earth. So, why does Nigeria's embrace of Bitcoin as the second largest market matter to Africans today? It's about economic freedom. It's about circumventing restrictive financial systems, tapping into global markets, and building wealth in a world that often feels stacked against us. This isn't just about digital currency, it's about ownership, control, and a future where Africans dictate their own financial destinies. And for those inspired to tell these vital stories themselves, we've got something to help you get started. Our Creator Kit, available at pornoafric.com/shop.html for just $47, provides all the essential tools to produce high-quality content and amplify African voices. Because these narratives, these successes, deserve to be heard. The digital revolution is here, and Africa is not just participating, we're leading. The future of finance is being written right now, and you're a part of it. Subscribe for more African wealth stories. Globe showing Europe Africa Money Bag.